Hello everyone, this is video presentation of our project name Fake News Detection Using Machine Learning. Our project mentor is Dr. Saili Harge ma'am and group members are Juveria Khan, Poonam Mase, Dipti Raman and Riddhi Sakpa. The main motive of our project is as the pandemic continues to create uncertainty, there is an urgent need for stronger action to manage the widespread of fake news. To contribute to this cause, we bring an updated version of our strategies to spot and fight fake news with a special focus on COVID-19 pandemic. This is content of our project. Problem statement includes a type of yellow journalism. Fake news encapsulate pieces of news that may be hoaxes and generally spread through social media. This is often done to further or impose certain ideas and is often achieved with the political agendas. So the problem is to identify the authenticity of the news and online content. Equally important problem is to identify the bots involved in spreading false news. The project is concerned with identifying solutions that could be used to detect and filter out the sites containing fake news for purpose of helping users. This is the block diagram of our project. The first step is the collection of data. We are using fake.csv and true.csv dataset. Then next step is the pre-processing of data, which process of pre-processing of raw data and making it suitable for machine learning model. This includes the following steps: importing libraries and dataset, inserting ones and zeros and checking the shape of dataset, finding missing data, merging dataset and splitting the dataset into training and testing. For training we are using 0.8 and for testing we are using 0.2. Then extracting features. This block includes initialization of TF-IDF vectorizer and fitting and transforming the dataset. Then the next step is the training classifier. We are using the RFC classifier, random forest classifier. There are 4 steps: select a random samples from dataset, construct a decision tree for each sample and get a prediction, perform a vote for each predicted result and select a prediction result. Then next step is to training the model. For this we have created a confusion matrix for RFC classifier and also calculated the accuracy, precision and recall. Then last step is the content classification, which gives the manual input from user to predict a given news that is real or fake. This is the accuracy result of random forest classifier, which gives 99% accuracy, and the confusion matrix shows significant reduction in false prediction. The fake news predicted by classifier reduced to 59 to that of the real news predicted by fake news reduced to 44.
So this is front end program of our project. We go first tools and we build a system. Then this is give URL of our front end web page. We copy this and paste it to a Chrome. So I paste this, and this is basically web page of our system. So we first predict whether the news is a fake or real. So I search as a COVID-19 news and I copy this and paste it to this and click on the predict button. Then this gives me a real news, which is also a real news. So for the fake news I use Twitter, and we click on the URL of this and then paste it to here and then click on predict button. It gave me a fake, and this news is also a fake.
So we conclude that the project shows compatibility of machine learning to be fruitful in this task. We have tried to build a model which gives a real and fake news. Also we have created a performance matrix which compare the result and give a better score. Thank you.